everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and I just have a really quick Dollar Tree haul with some great Valentine's items in it from the Dollar Tree. I'm doing 2 events. I have a big dinner this weekend and then a Valentine's party for our kids' church. So I wanted to show you some of the things I saw there for that. And then I found a few cool stickers that you might want to see. And then a really cool, great, awesome, outstanding, magnificent find at the Dollar Tree that I've never seen there before, and such a great deal. So let's get started. Okay, so first I want to show you some of the candies they have at Dollar Tree. If you're buying a lot, you probably want to get them at another bigger store, but they have these heart candies. These are just chocolate, and I'm going to be using those for decoration on our table this weekend. And then they have the cookies and cream hearts. I've heard these are excellent. And then just a few little sweet hearts, not too many, but anyway, just a little bit of candy. I'm going to put it on the table kind of like confetti in a way. All right, the next thing that I want to show you are a few of the decorations that I found for Valentine's Day. This really cute heart, it is styrofoam, but it is adorable. So they have these in pink and red. Then they have these cute hearts. You get 3, and I thought you could take them apart and do all kinds of fun stuff with them if you didn't want to leave them as one wall hanging. So they have that. And then this is the first time I've seen the I love you or the love you, and it is really pretty. It's kind of like the Merry Christmas one that they've done before, but it's a really pretty red color. So I thought I would show you that, and I can think of some really fun things to do with that. And if you didn't see my love wall decor, I'll post that link in the comments below, because those wall decorations turned out so cute, and the majority of everything was from the Dollar Tree, so it was really inexpensive to make, and they turned out adorable. Okay, so they have some real cute Valentine's items. These are bubbles, so these are fun, red and pink. Of course, they do have these foam stickers that are hearts. These ones are jeweled, and it's an assortment of the felt sticker hearts. Then I found this glass heart. Oh, this is really, really pretty. And it has a to and from on the back, and then you can write a message. Then for the kids, they have these cute kits to make a love and a heart with these little beads. They're called pegboard. You get a pegboard, and then you get these melty beads and a design sheet with the instructions, and then you can make a little cute little giveaway. So that is very cute. They also had some cute little pins, little mini pins that are decorated for Valentine's, and you get 12 in each package. And of course they have these little paddle balls. You get 6 in a package for those. They have these cute Valentine skateboards that I thought were adorable. And then they also have these maze hearts, little puzzles that are maze puzzles. They're so cute. Okay, so they have really a ton of stuff, but I do advise you, if you need something, to go ahead and get it when you see it at the Dollar Tree, because with Valentine's getting so close, everything will be gone really fast. All right, so I am making some centerpieces for my dinner. It's an appreciation dinner, and I'm going to say, you're a star, you're a rock star, whatever. And so I'm thinking about using these for our centerpieces. And then I also have these little candles that you can get from the Dollar Tree. They're flameless candles that are LED pillar, and they're about the 3-inch size. So I did have those. I still am not quite sure what I'm doing. I've got a number of little things that I've picked up or I already had. I'm trying to figure out exactly what I want to do, but I know it involves gold stars. So they did have these little hats for Mardi Gras, and you do get 6 or 5 in a package. So I thought these would be cute for the centerpiece base. So I'm just not sure. I did get 2 packages just in case I mess up some. I am going to be posting what I do though. Then I did get some beads. These is the well, not beads, but the rhinestones. They're called diamond wrap. And I did get the gold because I'm going with gold stars. So I did get some of those as well. They also had some star plates. And we are having a really nice dinner with some nice plates and utensils and everything. But I thought these might be fun for decorating. So I did go ahead and pick them up, especially since they were only $1 package. Now before I get to the big surprise, which you may have seen, but I hadn't seen before, I'm going to show you the last few things. I got some handmade cards, and this one says, Valentine, have you heard the scoop? And it is a ice cream cone, and it says, you make my heart melt. I think these cards are just so cute. And this one, I donut know what I would do without you, with the donuts and the coffee mug. And then, well, it's not a mug, a to-go cup. And then I love you latte. Happy Valentine's Day. And then the last one I picked up is a Valentine's wish with all the hearts. It says, from my heart to yours. So really cute dollar handmade cards. Now I did pick up some stickers. Now here are some alphabet stickers. I really like that they're outlined in black. Really makes them stand out. Then they had these cute emoji and happy face stickers. And so I went ahead and got those for planning. Thought they were cute too. You get 300, so it was amazing. And then they had these adorable bottle stickers. Now I know I have seen them before, but you may not have, and I didn't get to pick them up because I never saw them at my store. So I have these really pretty bottles. And then they have these mason jars. And then they have these perfume bottles. Aren't they gorgeous? Then they have these bottles and these perfume jars. So anyway, they're really cute. You get 10 to 12 per package, 13 in this one. Just depends on which set it is, but you have to check them out. They're so cute. Now the very last thing, I know you've been waiting for, that I found that I have never seen at the Dollar Tree are these, the bottle lights. It's where the stopper lights up. Now these light up different colors, and then these have the string lights that go down into the bottle. So I can't wait to use them. If you saw my Christmas video with the gnome hats for the bottle toppers, in one of the bottles I put some of the battery operated lights and just hid the battery pack. But with this, I can just string the lights down and put the stopper in. So I am going to do that and show you what that looks like. However, there's so much light and it's daytime, may not show up as good. But let's see what it looks like. Okay, in this one, the light actually changes colors. And it blinks at different times. So I'm going to turn the lights out as much as I can and see if you can see it better. So there you can see the light, and it slows down and then it speeds back up and it changes colors. It's really pretty. And I'm going to show you the other one. Okay, I'll try with the lights on. You can see this bottle is from the Dollar Tree as well. I had it for my Christmas decorations. Okay, that's the string lights. That's these lights. Okay, and here's the string of lights, how they look. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, And if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up. Comment which lights you like. I like them both. I like the string lights particularly myself, but I'm curious as to which you would choose if you were going to. And then also, I just want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm so excited. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, and I can't wait to do my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So be on the look for that because that's coming soon, and I hope you have a great day until next time. Bye.